Welcome to all. In today's session we will discuss about complements in number system. So complements are used to simplify the subtraction operation and for logical manipulation. There are two types of complements for each base R system. R means radix or base. So base R system. R's complement also called radix complement, and the second complement is r minus 1's complement. It is also called diminished radix complement. So we have two types of the complements, r's complement and r minus 1's complement. So r minus 1's complement, let a number n is given in base r. So small n, we are taking small n, it is as the number of digits in n. So what will be the r minus 1's complement? R raised to the power n minus 1. We will solve it first, then we will subtract the number from the intermediate result. Now understand this concept by using an example. For example, we are working with the decimal number. So base for the decimal number is 10. The radix for the decimal number system is 10. Now I want to calculate r minus 1's complement. R minus 1's complement means the value of r is 10. So 10 minus 1 means I am talking about the 9's complement. So I am talking about the 9's complement. Now take a question. Find out 9's complement of decimal 546700. So what is the formula to calculate the r minus 1's complement? R raised to the power n minus 1. Then we will get an intermediate result and subtract n from, means the actual number from this intermediate result. So what is n here? Capital N, 546700. This is the original given number. What is the value of r? We are working with decimal number system, so radix is 10 and small n. Small n is number of digits in n. So how many digits are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the value of small n is 6. Now we will put the values in the given formula. 10 is to the power 6 minus 1. So then minus 546700. So we will solve this part first because it is given into the brackets. So we will get here 6 times 9's, 999999. 6 times 9's minus 546700. So we will get the final value 453299. This is 9's complement of the given number 546700, means the r minus 1's complement. Now r's complement, that is also called as radix complement. So r's complement of an n digit number n in base r is defined as r raised to the power n minus n. So this is the formula for calculating the radix complement for n does not equals to 0 and as 0 for n equals to 0, means if n equals to 0 then the r's complement is simply 0. If it is not 0, then we will apply this formula r raised to the power n minus n. So it can be obtained by adding 1 in r minus 1's complement. What was the formula for r minus 1's complement? R raised to the power n minus 1, then minus n. If I will add a 1 here in r minus 1's complement, you can see here that this equation will become r raised to the power n minus 1 minus n plus 1. Let's solve it for your benefit purpose. R raised to the power n minus 1 minus n and plus 1. So what is happening here? Just cross it, and what the remaining is r raised to the power n minus n. So let's take an example. Find out tens complement of decimal 2389. So what is the formula? R raised to the power n. So how many digits are in this? 4. So for the value of small n is 4. So r raised to the power small n, 10 raised to the power 4 minus the actual number, the capital N. This is the capital N. So what we will get? 7611. This is our answer. Can we solve it by using the 9's complement, then adding the 1 to the 9's complement? So once we will solve this 2389 and calculate the 9's complement, we will get 7610. And when we will add 1 to this 9's complement, we will get the 10's complement here, 7611. So you can solve it in either way. Binary system complements. So for binary system complements, 1's complement means we are talking about the r minus 1's complement. R is here. What is the base is here? 2. So 2 minus 1 means r minus 1. So we are talking about here r minus 1's complement first. So how we will get the 1's complement in the binary number system? Change all 1's to 0 and all 0's to 1. So the number is given here 1 0 1 1 in the binary format. Now we want to calculate 1's complement. So what we will do? We will convert 1 into 0. So we are converting 1 into 0 and 0 into 1. Then again 1 into 0. So we will get the 1's complement 1 0 0. Now we want to calculate 2's complement. So if I want to calculate r's complement, I need to do r minus 1's complement, r minus 1's complement plus 1. So I will simply add here 1 in 1's complement. So 2's complement is equals to 1's complement plus 1. So I will simply add here 1. So 0 plus 1, what will I get? 1. And these terms will continue 0, 1 and 0. So what I get here? 0, 1, 0, 0. The arithmetic operations on binary numbers like addition, subtraction and multiplication, we will continue this topic in our next coming video. So till now we have understood that we will add 1 here. So in this example, 0 plus 1, it is 1. There is no carry like situation. So we are simply putting here 0 and the next coming bits as it is to the answer. So thank you very much for listening me carefully and sincerely. Thank you.